I'll have to do this quick. Got all of it washed. We're looking good. We got a free refrigerator off the side of the road. I've already put in a new thermal switch. Pump would kick on and then shut back off. After I bypassed the thermal switch here, bypassed them to make the compressor run non-stop, only for testing purposes only. There's a thermal switch with a condenser fan motor. Is what I think is the issue. If the RPM of the condenser fan motor isn't spinning at the right speed, it tells the board to shut the compressor off because it can't adequately cool itself down. I don't know if you can tell, but damn it. Right here. There's a couple of burn marks on the motor when I took it off to clean it. Didn't rotate all that well. Tried to lubricate it. It's got to be the problem.